Quickly, let me show y'all the mats that I picked up. These came from Roses. Aren't they gorgeous? I didn't take the tags off of these yet. I wanted to see what they were gonna look like for $1.99, y'all. But nice. Let me stop this video. Hold on. Nice. Look at these. Oh my god, I love them, y'all. They were only $2 right from Roses. Don't sleep on Roses, y'all. Check them out. My sister brought the same ones and she said they look so amazing on her table. They look amazing on my table as well, girl. So I'm gonna take the tags off and then set up my dinnerware stuff. But nice, right? $1.99. Can't beat that with a stick. So yeah. And then over here, y'all, as you can see, I love these screensavers. I showed y'all another screensaver in another video. Right now, I am looking at a burning fireplace, and I freaking love it. Isn't that gorgeous? Let me turn the light out so y'all can really see. Hold on. So pretty. And the crackling noise and everything, y'all. I just love it. I also have it going on in the living room. Let me show y'all. Look, y'all, we have it in the living room as well. It is such a vibe. Such a vibe. I love it. It's a crackling noise for me. Isn't that nice, y'all? Y'all, my hubby is so sweet. He is. Look at my gift he just brought for me. Oh, y'all. He told me he had a gift for me. Oh, babe, this is so beautiful. Y'all, hold on. So, y'all, I just came from Aldi, and I'm going to show y'all what I picked up from Aldi. After we look at my gift from my hubby. So excited, y'all. So, oh, this scarf is beautiful. So, y'all, he picked up this beautiful scarf for me. Babe, this is gorgeous. Look at this, y'all. That is so pretty. That's so pretty. And then he picked up this scarf. Oh, 3. You picked up all 3 for me, babe? Yeah. Then this scarf. Isn't that gorgeous? That is so cute. These scarves are beautiful. And then this scarf. Thank you, babe. I love it. So cute. Okay. And then for my bag, y'all, oh my gosh, babe, this is so cute. Ooh, y'all, look at it. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. Look at her, y'all. This is gorgeous. Oh, take a look at my bag. Babe, this is super cute. I love this. All right, y'all, look at the bag. As you can see, it's a mid-sized bag. I love the hardware. Like, get a load of the hardware. It comes with this lock and key. As you can see, it has micro cords there. It has a top handle. The hardware is gold. I love the way this bag is structured, y'all. And it just feels so good to hold. It has a zipper in the inside. All right, zipper there. And it also comes with a strap. Okay, so then here's the strap. Ooh, I love how thin this strap is, y'all, and it's super duper long. You can adjust the strap. Here's what the hardware looks like. Oh, y'all, so gorgeous. Oh, I love it. Y'all, you cannot go wrong with a black and gold bag. I love it. Thank you again, babe. This is so cute. Oh, I love it, y'all. Let me know what y'all think. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to show y'all really quickly what I got from Aldi. The first thing I got are these pads, and I've never used like this brand, so hopefully it's okay. I just didn't feel like going to another store, so I got that. And then, y'all, I picked up some more of this whipped cream. So this is the Friendly Farms pumpkin spice whipped cream. It is so good. This is like my first time having this. Delicious. Alright, so I got some more whipped cream. And I also picked up some more keto bread. You can see here. And I think that this is my favorite. Okay, I've tried so many keto breads, and this one really mimics real, well, it is real bread, but y'all know what I mean, like your traditional sliced bread. So got that. And then I picked up some Gouda, smoked Gouda. And if it'll focus, y'all, hold on. And then y'all, I picked up some smoked Gouda. And hopefully this one tastes as good as the one from Food Lion. It was way cheaper, okay? This one was like $3.99, $4.99. So hopefully it tastes good. So we shall see. So got that. Then I picked up some soda water. So I got 2 of the black cherry sparkling waters. This is my favorite. I love this. I love this one over the one at Walmart. So I got 2 of those. And then y'all, I picked up these donuts. So these donuts are by a company called Bake Shop, and they are apple cider donuts.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And here's what they look like.
Put some whiskey in those.
These might be really, really good.
Put some whiskey in them.
Look like that. And these were like $2.49. So yeah. And this is not keto, y'all, but I am going to try a donut because they just look so good. And obviously, you know, they are seasonal, okay? I also heard too, I'm not sure how true this is, but I heard that Aldi and Trader Joe's are owned by brothers. Is that true? Have y'all heard that? But that's what I heard. And I can kind of tell because Aldi's, they carry like specialty items as well. And it reminds me a lot of Trader Joe's. So yeah, y'all, I can't wait to try. I'm not gonna like go in on these donuts, and I'm not gonna eat like a whole one or a half. I just wanna try a little, okay? Because I was just curious. And they look good. Like, look at that. They look so freaking good. I'm not hungry right now. I've been fasting all day. So yeah, I'm not gonna try it like right now. But maybe I need to eat though. What time is it? Oh yeah, it's 4 o'clock. I need to be eating some. But yeah, y'all, it looks like that. So these look so freaking good. So I'll let y'all know what these are giving, okay? And then of course y'all know I could not go in Aldi without picking me up some wine, girl. I didn't get my Pinot Grigio though. I got the Cabernet. So this is the Cabernet Sauvignon. And it's pretty good, y'all. I've been really enjoying this. Usually I don't go for like a red wine, but this has been really, really good, especially mixed in with this to cut back on the alcohol. So yeah, I had to get me some wine, and I got the last bottle. So yeah, and again, it's my winking out, y'all. Looks like this. Okay. Then did you want to try a piece of this donut? Y'all, I think I'm gonna try a little piece of this donut. Just a little piece. Because it looks so good. And I bet you it'll taste so good warmed up. If I can get in it, see. That's what you have. I couldn't even get in it, y'all. Get a plate. And so let me give y'all a close up real quick. And ooh, they smell so good. And here's a ooh, they smell good. Here's a close up of the donuts, y'all. They smell amazing. Alright. Y'all, ooh, it's coated with cinnamon and sugar. Let me come this way. Okay, y'all. There we go. Y'all, you get 6 donuts. Again, it was like $2.49. And look at it, y'all. It's just covered with so much goodness that I don't supposed to have. Yes. So let me just take one out. Hubby does not want any right now, but I'm just gonna take one out. And this light is so bright, y'all. Okay. So let me just, I only want a little piece. Teeny weeny piece. Let's give it a go. That's good. I don't really taste like the apple flavor. It basically just tastes like a cinnamon and sugar donut. Basically, it's not overly sweet. It's not doughy, it's not thick. It's pretty good, y'all.